organic creamed corn is hard to find. And then I thought, why don't I make my own creamed corn? So I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. It's easier than you think. Of course, you're gonna start with your corn. I got this at Kroger, Simply Truth Organic, 99 cents. So you're gonna drain that and go ahead and stick it in your Dutch oven and get that started. You are gonna take about a teaspoon of salt and a fourth of a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, got this at Aldi's, you know how I love organic sugar from Aldi's, and then 2 tablespoons of butter, which I also got from Kroger, Simply Truth Organic. So you're gonna start with that, and then a cup of heavy whipping cream, all right, 1 cup. So you're gonna stick that in the Dutch oven, you're gonna get that going and start that bubbling. It's gonna be very soupy. Then you're gonna take a cup of milk. I picked this up at Publix. So you're gonna take a cup of milk, you're gonna go ahead and put that in your measuring cup. And then you are going to begin to whisk in a tablespoon of flour, all right? You're gonna do 2 tablespoons of flour. I love Immaculate, so that's what I'm using today. So just like what we did for our chicken pot pie, you wanna make sure that you incorporate that flour into the milk and you mix it up thoroughly and put it in there. That's what's gonna help to thicken it up. So now I'm gonna pop over to the stove and I wanna show you, like I said, it starts soupy, but it's gonna thicken up really quickly and it's gonna start to bubble and boil. So watch it, and you're gonna wanna stir it periodically because you don't want it to burn or scorch on the bottom. But you guys, it's beautiful. Look how it's thickening up. All right, so I'm just gonna let this go for a few more minutes on medium heat. It's been on medium continuously this entire time. And sometimes I'll smash the corn just so it's a little bit more smooth and not so many kernels in the cream. Okay, really quickly, I wanted to come on here. If you have a potato masher, that actually works really well to kind of smash the kernels and make sure that they really cream into the creamed corn well. So just use that if you have one. So there's just another little hack for you that makes your job a little bit easier. Or you could use the flat bottom of a glass. Now, I'm using this in a corn casserole recipe, but you can serve this just as creamed corn as a side for Thanksgiving or for a holiday. So however you want to use it. But I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to make your own creamed corn.